Hey, what's going on? Nick here. So in this video, I want to introduce you another way you can use to build your list, and that is BookFunnel. So normally when we are building our list, we are using opt-in page. The problem is the opt-in page, because it's digital products most of the time, right? We're giving away digital product on opt-in page. The perceived value is pretty low. But what if you can give away something physical for free? Then they have higher perceived value. So that's the power of BookFunnel. So even though it's called BookFunnel, you don't have to limit it to the books. It can be applied to anything, right? You can give away USB or a free CD, things like that. So it can apply to all physical product, right? So we're going to give away book for free, but it's not totally free. They have to pay for the shipping fee. So it's a free plus shipping funnel. So they have to pay maybe $7 for the shipping. And guess what? Yeah, the $7 actually covers the printing fee of the book and also the actual shipping fee. Then after they fill in their credit card information, their physical address, their email address, we will bring them to another page, right? So at this page, we are going to do a one-time offer, right? So we are going to ask them if they want to upgrade their offer by paying a small amount of money, right? So maybe it's a $37 or maybe $97, right? So why do we want to do that? Because normally when we are driving traffic to BookFunnel, we are driving traffic from ad, right? So if it's from ad, because nowadays ads are really expensive, so you may lose money at this part, right? But if you can put an upsell at this part, guess what? You can liquidate your ad cost. So normally we have two upsells. So they have two opportunities to upgrade the offer. So maybe they can buy an audiobook, or maybe they can buy a masterclass version of the content, right? So they can buy, and we are applying a technology called a one-click upsell, because since they already leave their credit card information here, they don't have to do it again. So all they need to do is they click on the button, and guess what? Yeah, they can buy the upsell immediately. And that's the beauty of BookFunnel, because when people finishing their purchase, they will have what we call buyer high. They have the momentum to buy more things. So when you present to them an offer here, it's easier for you to convert them, as long as you have a really great one-time offer. So that's the beauty of BookFunnel. It can help you liquidating your ad cost. So which means right now you are getting paid to build your list. So that's the beauty of BookFunnel. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next video.